In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a case with Salesforce. We'll walk through creating a new case and opening an existing one, so you can track issues, requests, or inquiries clearly and keep your team and customers aligned. Think of a case as a single place to capture what's happening, what's needed, and who's working on it. Start on your Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. Along the top navigation bar, look for the Cases tab. This is your hub for everything related to customer issues and internal requests. Click Cases to open the list view. You'll typically see a view like All Open Cases, which shows items currently in progress. The list helps you scan what's active, who owns each case, and when it was last updated. From here, you have two options. If you want to create something new, click Add a Case. If you're following up on something that already exists, simply click the case name in the list to open it and work from there. Let's focus on creating a new one first. When the case form opens, fill in the required fields and any optional details that add clarity. Use a short, specific subject so it's easy to recognize later. In the description, include a concise summary of the issue, steps to reproduce it, if applicable, and any expected outcome. Choose the correct priority to help your team triage, and set the status to reflect where things stand right now. If your process uses fields like case origin, select where the request came from, such as email or web. If you see contact or account fields, link the case to the right person or company to keep history connected. Adding attachments or links to screenshots and error messages can save a lot of back and forth. Review your entries for accuracy, then click Save. After saving, you'll land on the case record, where you can view key details at a glance and share the case link with teammates as needed. If you're opening an existing case instead, click its name from the list view to review the details. Update the status, priority, or description if there's new information, then save your changes so the timeline stays accurate and everyone sees the latest. That's the entire flow. From your home page, open the Cases tab, choose to add a new case or open one that already exists, set up the details clearly, and save. Following these steps ensures your cases are consistent, searchable, and actionable, which makes collaboration smoother and resolution faster. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you practice in your own Salesforce environment.